Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music to Google Slides. To start, open your web browser. After that, tap on these dots. Scroll down and select Slides. Here, you either select a blank presentation to start or select any template to customize. I'm continuing with this template. Here are different pages of this presentation. Now to add music to these slides, click on Insert. Select the option of Video. Here you can search all of YouTube videos or paste a URL link. In a new tab, open YouTube. Here, search for background music. Open a music of your choice, then click on Share below it. Copy this URL. After that, go back to the previous tab. Paste this link here. Once the music is added, hit the Insert button. Now you need to make this video minimum in size. Also, place it at any corner of the slide where it will not be prominent. After that, click on Play button from your right panel and change the settings to play automatically. Once it is set, right-click on the video which you have just added. Select the option of Copy. Then go to the second slide of your presentation and paste it over here. It will be pasted on the same location as it is on the first slide. Also, you can paste it on the third slide or wherever you want. Also, set the settings of the video to play automatically for these slides as well. As you can see from the left, a link icon is shown with these slides. After that, click on the Slideshow button. When you play these slides, the added video will also be played as background music. So this is how you can add music to Google Slides. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.